It was a bright Saturday morning in America. The sun was shining, and the streets were full of happy families.
Mia, we need some groceries today.
Can I come too, Mom?
Of course. It will be fun.
They arrived at a huge supermarket. The entrance was decorated with colorful flowers and balloons.
Wow! This place is so big!
Stay close to me.
I will.
They walked through long aisles filled with fruits, toys, snacks, books, and clothes.
Mom, look! My favorite cereal!
We can buy one.
I'll answer this outside.
No problem.
I'll only look for 1 second.
Slowly, she took a few tiny steps away without telling Mom. She had no idea that those few steps would change everything.
I think we have everything. Ready?
Yes. Yeah.
What a busy day.
Mom? Dad?
David!
What happened?
Mia isn't here. Oh no. We left our little girl at the supermarket?
Mia stood near the checkout area trying not to cry. She remembered what Dad always taught her.
If you ever get lost, stay where people can see you and ask a safe adult for help. Hello, sweetheart. Are you okay?
I can find my mom and dad.
It's all right. We'll help you.
Okay,
Let's go to the customer service desk.
thank you.
Can you tell me your name
My name is Mia.
and your parents' names?
My mom is Sarah. My dad is David.
Attention, please. If David and Sarah are in the store, your daughter Mia is waiting safely at customer service.
Mia sat quietly in a chair. She tried to be brave, but every minute felt longer than the last.
Mom and Dad rushed back into the supermarket. Their hearts were beating very fast.
Mia! Mia!
Stay calm, Sarah. She must be here somewhere.
Excuse me, have you seen a little girl?
No.
I told her to stay close.
Let's ask security.
Our daughter is missing! Her name is Mia!
Yes, we already announced her name. She is safe here.
She is safe? Yes, she is with us.
Let's go.
Please be okay, my baby. Mia was sitting at the customer service desk, trying to be brave.
Mia!
Mom! Dad!
Oh, my baby. I'm so sorry.
I was scared. But I stayed here like you said.
You were very brave, Mia.
I will never let you go alone again.
It's okay, Mom. I'm safe now.
This is what matters. We are together again. The fear was gone. Only love remained.
That day, they learned something very important. Never let go of your loved ones in crowded places.